So here's a fun little thing. I'm trying to get some more feedback on the tool. So I thought as a bit of a promo, I would give away 50 free copies in blenderartist.org, which is good. It was successful, but not in the way I was expecting, which is fine. But so I got some feedback from the post, got a little bit of organic engagement, 81 views, 2 likes, and a few people grabbed the keys, which was nice. I didn't know, I started checking the metrics and I actually saw this modeling happy is, a lot of the referrals were coming from here. And it appears that this website has aggregated it. Let me see, is that yeah, that's the post, which is cool, right? Now I gotta say, wow, this website has like a lot of users, so many users, because all of a sudden, within probably about 30 minutes, all 50 of the keys were gone, which is cool. When I say gone, they've gone to users. Yeah, there's a ton of enthusiastic grabbing of the keys there. Now, I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing. I am hoping to hear from those users and see if they're finding the tool useful or not. So feedback is definitely going to be valuable. I got 1 5-star review out of the 50. That's pretty cool. Someone actually tried it and liked it. I got 1 feedback from someone who I think is behind some kind of firewall or regional restriction. The error messages they were getting were pretty unclear, so I've actually been able to fix that in a v1.0.2. But yeah, we'll see. The giveaway was exhausted within maybe like 30 minutes, which I think is really cool because you spend weeks making a tool, and you're like, oh, I think it's cool. But other people liked the look of the tool enough that they would grab it, admittedly for free. But hopefully that will translate into, some good user feedback and maybe a little bit more attention to the tool. So if you're watching this and you did get one of those free copies, I would love to hear from you what you think of the tool and if it solves problems in your workflows. So cool. Good learning experience for me.